Good day, students, and welcome to our biology lesson on kingdom fungi. The kingdom fungi is said to be the third kingdom in the classification of living things, and fungi is said to be a diverse group of eukaryotic organisms that play a significant ecological role and also exhibit some fascinating characteristics. And in our today's lesson, we are going to dive into the world of kingdom fungi, exploring their unique characteristics and as well as the examples of fungi. Fungi, for a very long time, were classified with plants. However, it differs from plants in the composition of their cell walls, and some of their cells are made up of chitin rather than cellulose. And here are some of the characteristics of fungi. The first one says they are eukaryotic, which means that they have a well-defined nucleus enclosed in a nuclear membrane. The second one we have is that some are unicellular while others are multicellular. And some of the examples of the unicellular ones are yeast, and the examples of the multicellular ones are mushroom. The third one we have here says they have no root, stem, and leaves. The fourth one here says they are non-green plants, that is, they lack chlorophyll. And what do we understand by chlorophyll? We said that chlorophyll is a green pigment in plants that help them to absorb sunlight, which they convert to energy through a process called photosynthesis. So, without this chlorophyll, we find out that plants cannot produce their own food through photosynthesis. The fifth one we have here is that they are non-motile, which means that they cannot move from one place to another. They can grow, but they cannot uproot themselves and go for a stroll. The last one we have here is that they are mainly saprophytes while others are parasites. What we mean by saprophytes means that these saprophytes are said to be decomposers, and they gain by their own nutrients by breaking down dead and decay organic matters. Then for the parasites, these parasites get their own nutrients by feeding off on other living organisms without giving anything in return. And here comes the end of our today's class. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.